Hey folks, it's Matt, and I am in Narragansett, Rhode Island, and just gonna show you what it's like to be in Narragansett. I hope you enjoy the video. Here's the room that we're staying in right now. Beautiful appointed room, big TV, nice big beautiful bathroom. Cool little coffee bar in the morning. What's up? And there we go. Gonna go walk around the hotel and show you a little bit of what it looks like. Everybody. So I'm just out here biking around, checking out the coastline here in Narragansett. And as you can see, we have some surfers out there surfing the waves. It's a gorgeous day here in Rhode Island, and just really having a great time. There's some amazing views, and I highly recommend you come and check it out. Narragansett has blown me away, so hope you come and see it too. Here we are, folks. We are at the public beach here in Narragansett and just enjoying a morning bike ride, as you can see from our bikes over here. The surf is up and the sand and the beach are too, so we're just out exploring Narragansett. Stay tuned. At the Mist. It's a seaside bar, which is really cool. Got a beverage in hand, and life is good. I'll show you some more of this downtown area when I can. Here we are in Nanutak. Can't say it, but we are by the beach. We are by the beach, and just grabbing something to drink and hanging out with some friends and family. Just wanted to show you the beach. Alright everybody, so we are at Captain Foggy's. We're here right on the shore. You see all the fishing boats and stuff here. It's pretty cool. We're getting a drink and just enjoying our afternoon. Maybe get a snack as well and just watch the fishing boats. Off to my back here, you can see the Block Island Ferry, which hopefully one day we'll take that trip too. So just wanted to show you around the fishing area in Galilee. So stay tuned for more. We found a cool beach and we're just kind of living it up. We just went for a soak in the water.